I believe, black maple here. It's kind of a split top, not a very big tree. We're gonna work on limiting it for now. So I'm gonna work our way on up here. I think I'm gonna go to the left branch here. Moving in for takeover here on the top of the vineyard. Alright guys, it's gonna be a little bit of boring, just knocking some suckers and stuff off here. A lot of dead branches in the top of this thing. Make sure I'm not throwing too much on my DRT line. One thing I have made a mistake with in the past, trying to stay cognizant of that. I ended up, this thing, I talked about it being dull before, but it's not too bad actually. The old top shark. I gotta get another one. I'm having some summer help, and he's not gonna run a saw right away. Not that I won't let him. His dad has even told me he's got saw experience. So I'm just gonna make sure he's really efficient with the saw before we go letting him run a saw too much. Especially these little 12-inch bars, man. I'd rather him run a bigger saw than one of these little things to learn, because these things jump around on you. It's interesting how it just has random dead limbs all through it, and even as you get to the top, it's kind of weird. Any real tree health experts explain that one to me. I'll post a picture too of the top of the tree. Anyhow, let's get back at it, guys. Into that one a little bit. Ta-da! My ground guy's really slacking. Get a little bit more torque on her. Oop, bombs away, dude. Alright. And we're gonna sneak the saw in here and whack this thing down and try to get a hand on it. I bump that tag on kill switch all the time. That's okay, watch this. That's beautiful. A little close aggressive kicking towards the house there. It's not always, when you know, having the clearest drop zone, it's also where that thing's gonna kick and go. Way up to giving me a peace of mind here. I know this branch probably wouldn't give up, but why question stuff is the way I look at stuff. Safety factors and all this. Why question stuff when you can make it safer? If you have that possibility and it takes an hour longer, whatever, why not? You know what I mean? The object is to get the job done. And mainly, get home at the end of the day to your wife and kids, right? Safely. Safe practice. Alright. Now we got a pretty good lock-in point too to take this line and go up with it a little more. Go ahead and drop this thing. Maybe I have one hung up right here. Maybe this will bring it down. Not quite. I think we can almost reach up and grab that one, guys. No complaints. Alright guys, I'm gonna slack this over a while. Just get her over a healthy branch. Oh Lord. Yeah. We can let that. Then we can let that off. And I got a rope wrench and I'm still playing around with SRT. I just don't carry the confidence with it yet, guys. I don't know why. I just like the feeling of pulling up with this zigzag DRT style more so than the rope wrench. It feels like it's harder to lock it in to get the tension set to where you want it. That's just the way I feel right now anyhow, climbing. So it's a nice view. Nice little solar panel setup here. That's cool, guys. It's really cool. Reminds me of somebody I know. Yeah, we'll be back up in this tulip here tomorrow morning. So we are. Got a good bit of branches on the way up. There's a couple I had to rig down. Took a little time. That would possibly have strike the neighbor's fence in the corner of the house. I didn't get any of that on video today, guys. But once I get up in it and top it and stuff, we'll try to bring you all along. I think she might kick back a little bit towards the house. We'll see what happens. I don't think it'll be too bad. We got a little pinch here. That's all right. Tell you that maple is way stronger than that tulip poplar, that's for sure. Let's lighten some of these boogers up. I'm gonna share a little bit, guys. Come down. I might even jump over onto this branch. Kind of an awkward way to be on this, but could almost do a redirect above my head here, but for this little thing, it's almost like, you serious? I don't know. It's good practice though. I'm no expert. I won't try to sit here and act like I am. No expert whatsoever. But we're learning, guys. We are definitely learning. Alright. So I think what we'll do is start working some stuff right here. Conveniently, my daughter's daycare is literally right down the street. There's a little bit of a barber chair there. A little bit of a barber chair. It's a lot longer limb than I thought it was. Okay, we're gonna try not to get this bouncing back on the house. So we're gonna put the butt in right here. There we go. Sometimes it's about thinking about the simplicity of just natural physics. And what will happen if you think about it? If I have the weight on this end, vice versa, you gotta think about that stuff, I think. And it's not rocket science, it really isn't. And again, a lot like I'm some expert, because I'm definitely not. Take this for what it is, guys. Doing everything I can without rigging. And before we pack up here for today, we'll be back in the morning. We'll do our rigging. I said I didn't want to get on my DRT line, and I'm doing exactly that. Oh Lord. Yeah, I thought about moving my rope over here, but I think we're going to manage for a little bit, guys. Yeah, so it's something I'm learning with this stuff. It likes the barber chair, so it does. Tough cutting, but kind of a stringy style wood here. You know, when you're getting into a tree like this, maybe it is smarter to have your lifeline tied into another branch where you're not weight loading. And then if something does snap off when you're on small branches, you're secured to the other tree. If that makes any sense. Tactics used all the time in tree work. A lot of suckers on this thing. She's probably on her way out. I mean, obviously it's got dead limbs all through the top. I don't think I'm topping anything today. Just kind of mapping stuff out in B branch, and then we're gonna come back and top this out and stuff in the morning. Slicer. Cool. Kind of what we wanted there. We're opening this tree up, so we are. And there she goes. That ain't gonna hurt nothing to be caught there. Now this one I'm gonna try to muscle it through the tree and throw it out. Guys, but it's definitely clouding up a little bit. On that one. A lot of that will let go with that branch there, which will not hurt anything. Sometimes works. Sometimes it just, you fight it. There we go. That's a little bit more comfortable. Okay. Having to throw a little air to it to get it fired. I'm going to kind of rest this here, and we're going to start nibbing it a little bit. We'll put a big old storm on us first. There, we got that one off. Oh, that's wrapped around there pretty good, isn't it? A little shaky. And through we go. We should be able to start just lobbing this off as we go. Perfect. We'll keep on lobbing, guys. Okay. What do you think? I think we can fling her now. Oh, you saw that, didn't you? Well, we know the harness is a lanyard holds. I question that sometimes. It's kind of a chimsy one. With this rain coming, guys, I think we're going to be about done for the day. Get that one while we're here, but we got a lot of cleaning up to do down there, guys, and I want to make it somewhat presentable before the customer gets home today. So we're gonna work our way down here, guys, and start cleaning up, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll transfer there, transfer over to these ass ripper of snubs everywhere. I know, I mean, I get why people are avid with those, because you probably have a little mishap and catch one of those one time, and that'll be one time too many. I get it. I really do. But I will also be the guy that says they come in handy sometimes for keeping your lanyard hung up on something while you maneuver around. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. All right, let me get our saw hooked up here, guys, and whack this sucker with this. Why, we're right here. Got everything hung up in that door. Yeah. Definitely got stuff on my line. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I'll keep that little gadget there. This little tail for, I think this will be the last one I take. Is this little girl right here. Doesn't look bad over that way, but we're up on a hill. Watch the lifeline, guys. I think we can come up here tomorrow, and I'm just gonna rig these out. I might even be able to grab them and throw them because there's probably not a whole lot of weight there. Really isn't. But I want to work to this side of the tree. Took the top out of that, our camera died. Took this branch out, a really long branch right here. Cut into the stem really aggressively. Good old bucking Billy Ray. Learned that trick from him. Folded it over. It was out towards that camper a good bit, and I thought I was going to probably rig it. But that trick worked well, and I've used it quite a few times now. I think we're gonna work our way up here and try to nib some of this right here, guys. We're gonna try the same thing here. This one again goes out there really far. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try and get up here a little bit further so I can get some good hand control on this branch, because we want that for sure. Maybe just even a little bit higher. Some back pull on this zigzag. Maybe even tighten the lanyard a little bit more. Bit of a barber chair, we'll take it. Boom, straight down it was. I think I'm on the more delicate of the trifecta maple here, and I'm in a position, it's kind of funky, feels comfy though. I think we'll let this one go and this one go, and we'll be clear. Be able to push the bottom out of this, and that'll be sweet. Perfect. Perfect. Like to say I planned that, but I did see it coming after I started cutting, so should I slice this out of that bush. Put her right in there. Good deal. We're rocking and rolling, guys. We are rocking and rolling. Good deal. Now this one I may have to see. I mean, I could get up there, but it's leaning and I don't want snappage. If I had a lifeline rig, I could get tied into something else and I feel better, but that is a threat to that camper a little bit, and we might have to just see if the neighbors could help us out. They seem pretty friendly. I've talked to them already. In fact, I got a dead tree to take down over there. Big oak tree. Seems solid enough to fall. It could be snag potential. It's one of those things. He asked me to look at it, and he's away traveling. Mini choking. We got that one left. That one we can rig as well. I'm the clock out for the day. Got a block set on this tree over here, wrapped around a little piece of wood for a redirect. Leaning out towards the camper, so I'm gonna cut my face cut kind of this way. Got my helper showing up. Got a block set on this tree over here, wrapped around a little piece of wood for a redirect, and hoping to put leaning out towards the camper, so I'm gonna cut my face cut kind of this way. Got my helper showing up. No tension yet, but we're good. A little deeper than I like, not the best looking face cut. All right, give me a lot of, start giving me tension. Good tension. That was good. I'm keep running with it. Should have told you. All right. Mission accomplished. Thank you. might take this in a double. We'll do a double. Yeah, it happens all the time. Happens all the time. Okay. You know, I might even could just take that way and spin around. Let's see what happens. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we golden here, baby. I even got a nice grab handle here. All right. My dad to stop and help. He's gonna be my helper now and then. And I got summer help coming too, guys. So that's gonna make things so much nicer. We're getting down there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful day out here. I'm getting to the point to where I can drop this whole tree soon, so probably gonna like double, triple chunk it, firewood size chunks anyhow, just to make it a little bit faster. I got a lot of rocks to cut this stuff up in, and I don't want to take potentially nick a rock or something like that, so that's why I'm doing on firewood size chunks while I'm up here, best I can. Let's go. Get back after it, guys. have much to hold that on to. I'm just not a big fan of SRT with the zigzag, guys. Not that I won't develop using it for certain scenarios. Something with pulling yourself on the tree with DRT, it works so much better in my opinion. Do you think I need new gloves? I do. But anyway, yeah, I just think that it just feels better DRT 9 times out of 10. But I know in some scenarios and situations that SRT's gotta work out a lot better. You know, I've had it to where I just run SRT just fooling around here and there like I did it earlier, and I just didn't really feel comfortable. So once I could get to the top of the spar I was using here, I just kind of threw it over into there, and I had a big notch at the top of this tree that I switched over to DRT, and I just feel way more comfortable. It's kind of cool, you know, being able to do both. I've been wanting to do it, and it's go figure, when I get the setup, it's like I don't even want to use it. But yeah, it's neat. You can tie yourself up an alpine butterfly and slip it up into the tree, and then even have a retrieval line in case you get hurt. So that's what's kind of cool about running the alpine butterfly and the SRT setup. And it also works good for putting a rigging line up in the tree too. But anyhow, let's continue away. Tight. Shazam, guys. Playing a little bit of an awkward position here, guys. We're gonna do a 3 jump. Try to anyway. Alright guys, we're gonna take another 3 jump here. Obviously, I want to hit the house from here, but with the momentum of the downhill, I don't want it sliding into it. So we're going to fall into the hill here. I'm going to get out the ported Frankenstein Neotech A43, and we're going to follow this tree right up on the bank here. So we'll get some stuff cleaned up here a little bit better, and we'll get the A43 out, and 543 XP cologne that is, and follow
Oh,